We're going to Disney! In today's episode, we're heading to Disney. We show you our room at the Yacht and Beach Club, and then we go have dinner at Sanaa in Disney's Animal Kingdom villas. We are Emma and Jack Lindsay. Together with our daughter, we love to travel and experience different places. How we get there and what we do is always different. Life is too short, so get out and live a little. Hey guys, we have made it to Disney.
Woohoo.
Jack's not as excited, but
This is a lot of Disney. I'm sorry, this is a lot of Disney.
We are staying at the Yacht and Beach Club, and we're going to dinner tonight, and then tomorrow we're going to explore the parks. So let's go. Let's have some fun. Poppy, what do you think? Hey, are you excited for Disney? Yeah? You want to go see Mickey? Yeah! We are staying at the Yacht Club. It is a New England-style lakeside hotel with nautical touches. The Yacht Club is in walking distance from Epcot and a boat ride away from Hollywood Studios. They have an amazing water recreation area with life-size shipwreck, pools, lagoons, slides, spanning a total of 3 acres. Let's check out our room. We got these wristbands to get into the park and stuff, and it also allows us to get into our room, which is really helpful. Welcome to our room. We've got the bathroom here, the shower and toilet. We've got Miss Poppy.
Poppy, say hi.
We've got a bunch of storage here. Nice big mirrors, coffee maker. Ooh, a little mini fridge. Haven't checked in here yet. Oh yeah, keep going, Pop. And then you come this way, and we've got 2 big beds, a couch that looks like it folds down into a bed in case you had more kids, bunch of storage, extra blankets and stuff, lots of chargers, on like the sides of the beds and the desk. I thought these were really cool if you're reading. They kind of just turn off, and then the second you pull them up, they light up, which is nice if you've got one sleeping and you just need a little bit of light.
And each side has, this side even has plugs and USB. It kind of feels like the cruise ship with like Welcome Lindsay family. And the way it's designed.
Well, and then we're also at the yacht part of the Yacht and Beach, so you got that kind of nautical feel. And then we also have
a beautiful view of the roof.
Well,
and everything else.
Yeah.
There's a lot.
There's a lot here. Whee! And then we've got a nice little balcony.
Ooh.
A nice view.
Put Poppy out here. Plenty of room for a crib. It's very big.
And then on the bed, we've got little Mickey ears.
So, I need this in our RV. It is a slide out, fold out ironing board with an iron. And then you have what can only be classified as a safe for a desktop. As Hard Travel would say, it is big enough for a laptop, and I'm pretty sure you can fit a desktop in it.
It does look like a good size safe.
What's a note down? Touch.
And then also, if you need it, there is a vending and laundry room. We made it to Disney's Animal Kingdom villas where we were going to have dinner. We were a little bit early for dinner, so we had some time to explore. If you have time, I would highly suggest going down to the little boardwalk that they have so you can get a little bit closer to the animals and see them a little better. It was a very cool experience. It's almost like a free zoo. Sanaa is inspired by an East African eatery under the branches of an acacia tree. Enjoy slow-cooked meats and vegetarian specialties as you try African cooking with some Indian flavors. This whole trip we did with my family, so you'll see them periodically throughout this whole Disney trip. One of my absolute favorite parts of this restaurant is that you can sit and eat your meal and see all of this wildlife that just comes right up to the windows. It was a really cool experience. And also, check out that awesome rainbow that we also got to see. We started off with the Indian-style bread service with 9 accompaniments, with things like sweet mango chutney, hummus, red chili sambal. It also came with 5 different types of naan bread. Oh, and I can't forget about the samosas we got, because samosas are just amazing. Jack's going for the samosa. Oh my god.
With tamarind.
With tamarind.
Pretty good.
Yep. Better than the one we had in South Dakota?
Yes. Very much.
That looks good. For Poppy's dinner, we got her some fish, mac and cheese, and a fruit cup. She enjoyed all of it. This was my dad's dinner. He got the turmeric marinated fish with roasted cauliflower, yuca, and coconut gravy. He said it was very, very good. This was my dinner, and it was delicious. I got the braised beef with the chickpea wat. I would definitely recommend it. Very tasty, but the chickpeas definitely had a good kick to them. And then this was Jack's dinner. He got the pork vindaloo with the rajma masala. He said it was delicious. His was definitely on the spicier side. And these also came with seasoned basmati. Okay, so Jack dumped all of his together into one. What do you think?
It's good. It's not spicy.
It's not spicy?
And I even added the entire thing of spiciness to it.
I mean, Jack has an extremely high spice tolerance, but it's good. This has a little bit of spice to it, but not like overpowering. Mine is delicious, I have to say. I'm a big fan.
Maybe you should taste it.
Yeah, maybe I should try Jack's and see how spicy it actually is.
She's your girl. Let's go mac and cheese. Oh, yes.
It's not that spicy, but it definitely has, it builds a little. It has some spice at the end. Honestly, I think this is spicier though than like all of yours. There was a dessert menu, but we were all way too full to partake, but I'm sure it was delicious. Make sure you stay tuned because next Wednesday we are headed to Magic Kingdom. So we'll be showing you how to do Magic Kingdom with a toddler. Till next time, get out and live a little.